Hi, my name is Todd Coda, and you're here at Platinum Tools booth today. And we're going to show you one of our latest products that we actually manufacture in the USA. It's called the MapMaster VDV 2.0. And what's nice about this product is it solves a lot of problems that installers are facing today. What this product will do is 3 platforms. It does voice, video, and data. So it will test the cables. So if you can see the different ports here at the top. And then what it will do is do a continuity test just to verify that you're, like if you're doing Cat 5 or Cat 6 cables, it'll make sure that you are wiring them correctly. It will give you a pass icon. And what I'm going to do is just show you, I have a cable here, and I'll show you how simple this is to use. Hold this mic. So what we're going to do is plug one cable in on the top here, and then the remote comes off at the bottom. And this is, you can take this throughout the building, and you know, so use it to the other end point of the cable. Now, this device is so simple to use. Everything is a one-button function. Okay, so it's not a complicated tester. So what we're doing, the top 3 are your tester buttons. So what we're going to do is hit the data, because that's what we're going to try to test. So I hit the data, and it cycles through. And in the reading outcome on this, it says pins 1 through 8 matched at the other end, pins 1 through 8, so it says it passes. So we actually have a good cable here. So, you know, doing proper installs is what people need to work on to make sure that everything that they're installing works correctly. So it's a big failure point in the industry. Okay? Now the next feature, which I think is probably one of the best features, a great feature of this product, is the mapping capability. And the mapping is, we have these, here's an accessory pack of remotes. And what we do with these remotes is that you can see that they are numbered 1 through 19. And what you do is you would put these in the wall plates throughout the building, go back to the patch panel where all the cables they migrate and punch down, and now you can accurately identify each cable run with a number. Now here, I'll go ahead and simulate that. What we're going to do is plug in the same patch cable that we know that is good because we just tested it. And then I'm going to go here to a keystone here randomly through our building. And now here again, very simple device to use. I hit ID, one button function, and now it tells me that ID is number 4. So we can go to ID 4, and if you go here to the back, you can see in my patch panel, I have labeled all these. I have my remotes all in the patch panel. So that particular endpoint is number 4. So I know that that cable that I tested is at endpoint number 4. So it allows us to accurately find those cables and label them and troubleshoot them. So very great feature. One of the other features that this item has is it actually identifies the cable lengths of what you're trying to do. You want to know how long this cable is? All we do is come in here, make sure we're in the data mode, hit length, and then it says it is a 4-foot cable. So you can take that through, and that's basically about a 4-foot cable. So we have an accurately reading. Now, you would want to use that function for probably 3 reasons. One is an auditing tool. You have a box of cable in the warehouse, how much cable is on that spool? Don't really know, so you can quickly hook this up and it'll say you have 330 feet. So that way you know if you have enough cable before you get to the job site. As well as the other thing is that the biggest troubleshooting feature on this is if you have a short in your cable, or it's an open or a defective cable somewhere in the wall, and what this will do is give you identify the distance to the open and the short. So it's a great troubleshooting tool. Now the great thing about this thing with all these features and made in the USA, it's got an MSRP of $129, so it's very affordable, and it gives you a lot of functions, and instead of going with a single platform device. So if you want to see more of our great products, please visit Platinum Tools at booth C5038. Thank you for your time.